Okay, I'm going to do all these jade cuttings. I got the variegated jade, several cuttings of that, and then I have a shit ton of these regular jade cuttings. I have way more over there. I don't know if I'm going to pot them all up. But, look at that. I don't know when or where or why, but blood. Okay, so the dirt I use, since jade cuttings propagate so easy, and I don't really care if they live or die, what I'm going to use is I'm going to use just soil that I take out of old pots and various places in the garden. So I just have this big old thing I fill with dirt, and I'm just going to use that. And I'm going to fill up this tray, and then I'm going to plant all the jades in it. So it's already wet because it was just outside, and it's winter time, so luckily we did get some rain. Of course, we could always use more rain. Rock. Okay. Now I stabbed myself again. I don't know if you can see. It's just a tiny little... No. Okay. So I'm just going to take off the bottom leaves. And if I wanted to, I could propagate all this stuff. It's so much. Once you get to a place, you just got to make a decision. I'm also going to take off this piece on the side. And I could take off more. Let's just see how this does. That's it, and that's all. So again, just take off some bottom ones. You can come in here, baby boy. You know? There's just so many, and I hate throwing these away, so I don't know if I can even make myself do it. I'm wondering if these bigger ones I should put in a different container because they don't even want to stick in here. Sorry about the loud ass dirt bike, but you know, I live in a place that's this. I live in sort of rural, but I mean, not really. You just have these dirt bags who think it's okay to ride their ATVs and shit up and down the fucking street. And if you're one of those assholes, I'm sorry, but I absolutely hate it. It's loud as fuck and it's rude. Ooh, I don't know what this is. Should I plant it? Let's plant it, see what it does. I guess I'm just gonna plant the little ones in here. And then the big ones I will plant in a gallon container, I guess. Because it's just not deep enough. Okay, so we're saving the big ones and planting the little ones. I really hate throwing some away. Like, it really bothers me, but I mean, like, what am I gonna do with all these freaking plants? I mean, I'm gonna try to sell them at the flea market, but like, I just don't have the room or the space. Sorry, it sounded like it was raining for a second. Okay, so that's all the variegated. I didn't get much of that, but I only have 2 variegated plants that actually were cuttings. Or no, it was a plant I bought and I separated it. So these will be my first cuttings from the variegated jade. Now we're just going to pop in all these regular jades. And I will not water this. See, that sounds like a freaking boat. But that's just a piece of shit, Hoopty. Welcome to Olivehurst. Okay. So like I said, I have a lot of these, so I'll probably just fast forward the rest of this video so you don't have to slowly see me pick apart leaves and shit. So, if you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you, first off. But I just want to let you know that I do normally curse. And I've been trying to tone it down. But I'm at that point in life where I'm not saying anything hurtful or mean. I just think it adds a little flavor to my words, to my sentence, whatever. And so I'm gonna cuss a little bit on here. I don't know, maybe more than, I don't know. Because you know what? I'm never gonna get to know 1,000 subscribers to monetize anyway. So, fuck it. I'm gonna be myself. And if you don't like it, well, I guess you can just unsubscribe or not subscribe. But I'm tired of not being my complete self just to appease others. And it's time to say fuck that. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna curse here and there. Probably a lot more here. And hopefully you're okay with that. It just sounds like it's raining. Ow. And anyway, when I'm done here, I'll show you the ones that I did days ago that I actually need to repot. So maybe we'll do that. There's so many cuttings that you want to save them all, but you know you can't. I mean, of course you could, but I wonder how people do selling these on eBay and Etsy. Because if they do well, maybe I'll just start shipping some of those out. See how it does. I don't feel like there's enough dirt on that side. I have so many freaking cuttings. It's crazy. I'm sorry if you can hear those kids screaming. But hey, I'm just happy there's kids outside playing, frankly, in this day and age. Kids just don't go outside anymore. Remember when it was like, get out and don't come home till it's dark? Could you imagine saying that to our kids? Okay, one tray is full. I'm gonna move it. Where is my... Oh. I think my other tray's in my other greenhouse. Shit. Okay, I'll show you my setup over here real fast. Don't mind the mess. I'm just getting it into this greenhouse. But this is all my succulents I have moved in for the winter. In fact, can I turn this? No.